Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to get to work on Dain's engine. We had a long weekend last weekend. So this is Dain's short block. We're going to go ahead and try and get the rotisserie built on it. And maybe try and get it the rest of the way together. See how the day goes. We just got to assemble the pistons, put everything back in it. So bear with me. Enjoy the video. If you like what you're watching, please like and subscribe and ring the bell so you can get notifications to know when I put out new content. Anyway, if you haven't already done so, check out the Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion videos, part 1 and 2. I had to do 2 videos because it was such a long weekend and so many great Jeeps and so many vendors there. So hopefully you enjoy that and enjoy this video. That should be straight up from there. Yep. I got a mind of his own. I got a clean mind of its own. Kind of cock out. What is it? Yeah. The rod bolt. Well, not on that one, but a different one. What size is that crank board? 33 foot-pounds. Fuzzies off. Right! The fuzzy wuzzies. I'm glad I'm speeding this up. That's why I was laughing at it. Yep. Putting in the manual, so we had to look it up. That's the girdle for the main caps. 35 foot-pounds. 35. Air. Too much dead air moving around this time. Takes time, man. And you can say, grease the gear. Probably should not have helped. So I don't ever put timing chain on dry. I always put it in the bag, soak it a little bit. Yes, we do. So just go ahead and put it in the bag. Get all nice and oily and let it sit in there until you're ready to put it on. That way you don't have a dry startup. Yep. Dave, we can't see what you're doing. It's okay. I don't know what I'm doing either. Use the sprocket bolt, 50 foot-pound.
50.
Fitted.
Right, because it's got a hole in it.
Get 3/4. Fitting.
Oh.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Need to whisper it into the socket set again.
The West Virginia wrench set. You ready? Go.
Fitting.
50.
I'm a must. 50 foot-pound. We're in.
And she's so timed up.
Okay, so here's a tip. So you take your oil pump, your brand new oil pump, take it apart, clean it, and then pack it with Vaseline. That way it creates a suction when you fire it up and you don't have dry startup. Snap on torque wrench to the rescue. We gotta thank our Snap-on dealer for
Providing you with the use of the torque wrench.
a snazzy torque wrencher. Wow, that's nothing. Yeah, they're getting steak.
Bon appetit.
Pump is loose. Okay. Alright, so the whole purpose of this is to push the metal up into the screw so it won't come undone. So you can see, so it staked it. So that screws, unless you purposely want to take them off, they won't come back out. Alright Dave, I'm going to use the Phillips head screwdriver to install that.
You install a pickup?
Yeah. Uh-oh. Stuff is on the way. Balance that.
Yes.
I don't want to squeeze it. Can you hold that bad boy?
The wrench? The hand from beyond.
Just like that. Now. This needs to be lubed.
Is that hole close to lining up?
It's in there. That's perfect. Yeah.
Okay.
There we go.
All right.
Alright. So see, holes all lined up. Everything's pressed in. Just use a wrench to put it in the hole. Be right back. Good thing I have it on inch pounds. 204 inch pounds. set on 80 foot-pounds. There you go, Dain. 80 foot-pounds. Let's see if we can. Dain, what's your here?
It's something in the water, in every one of us. Yeah. And waves are coming in now. I don't know who to trust.
Okay, we got all the push rods cleaned out. I'm gonna install the lifters. You know, this is a trick you told me about.
Make sure you soak the lifters in Cool Whip.
Cool Whip, yeah, Cool Whip always works
Yeah,
better.
that's what you Cool Whip.
I don't know how they know my name.
Oh, I forgot. You come up with some sound effect like you're.
Yeah. Eric can hit it.
If y'all don't know, we're talking about Eric at South Main Auto. He's got a YouTube channel. He's pretty cool. Go ahead and check him out. I'll leave a link in the description so y'all can find him. Thanks Snap-on for building such quality product. Sounds like a heartbeat. Sorry, I forgot what it was. Alright, so we got an adapter in the socket, so we're gonna crank it up to 52. Take up some of that slack. So let me show you what we're tightening up. Oil filter housing. It turns it 90 degrees so you get more room. So in this case, I'm gonna make sure I don't step in the goo. Torque this big old bolt. 50 foot-pounds and that's it. I went over at 57. I got a little overzealous. I probably should have used a 3/8. Oh well.